Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add someone to favorites in Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. What you need to do is open Zangi Messenger and click on this contact option on the bottom of your screen, and then you can see add to favorites option. Go ahead and tap on the add to favorites and you can see that I have already added some person to my favorites. You can remove them as well. Just go ahead and do this and they'll be removed. But if you want to add them to favorites, you can do that as well. You can select which people you want to add to favorites. You can choose any one of your favorite friends list. Click tick mark and you can see that they had been added to the favorites as well. Now to remove them, go to add to favorites and individually you can select these people to remove and click the tick mark, and you can see that only a few people have been added to your favorite list. So guys, I hope this video about how you can add someone to your favorites in Zangi Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.